Yes, it's so easy to compare myself to everyone around me. Even driving home this evening from work, I'm looking at the other cars, comparing my car to their cars. It's like, it's crazy. Like, it's never ending. We can't help it. We can't. We see around us and we think it's real. And what I see instead is all this judgment. It's like we pick up our phone and we click on a YouTube video and we allow it to play. It's called judgment. And then we pick up another phone and we hit another video and we allow that one to play. And we do this like 100 times. And we have all these videos playing in our ear of judgment, self-loathing, irritation. So all this is playing in our mind, and we don't think, just hit the delete button, like just stop it. And instead we're like, why am I exhausted? Why am I confused? And then what's worse is we start watching these videos and we think that's us. We think that picture, that video is of judgment is us. And it's not. It's just that we've allowed these videos to be playing in our mind, and we didn't think to, or we didn't have the know-how how to erase the video, how to delete the video, how to just say, it's okay, let's pause the video until we can let it go. And when I see all these videos playing in my mind, I think, well, no wonder I'm exhausted. No wonder at the end of the day, I feel poorly of myself, because I think that those videos are really me. And that's the last thing I am. You know, it's just a video playing. The video is called Memory of Judgment, memory of me not feeling good about myself, me judging, comparing myself to another person and my bank account to another person's bank account. It's like, no, these are just these videos replaying. If we could use a tool called Thank You, I Love You, which will pause and delete that one memory in time. And then the trick is, the key is to hit the button over and over and over and over so we can erase the multitude of cell phones that are playing in our mind. And if we can visualize that it's not us, but we're allowing these tapes to play over and over and over. And so the responsible thing to do is to just, stop the replay. Don't act from watching the replay. We want to act from inspiration. And so saying, okay, now I know a tool through self-identity, through hooponopono, called the I Love You, Thank You tool. So now I can apply this tool called Thank You to every time I get irritated. I can just keep hitting the button called Thank You, Thank You, Thank You, Thank You, Thank You. And that is being responsible for what is going on or what I'm allowing to continue to replay. And then from there, I can hear a pause, a quiet place, that void where I can then recharge myself and hear inspired thoughts. Thank you.